So new for 2025 is the brand new Naturals collection here at ISeekBlinds, and it features a beautiful neutral palette. The blend of fabric is polyester and linen, and in order of exactly what's behind me, let's get up close and personal. So I've got 4 beautiful textures to show you today. This is the Ararat. This one here is the Matterhorn. This beautiful texture here is called Sierra. And my favorite is the Macaloo, which is this beautiful fine weave. So this week there was a race that stopped the nation, and this Boucle fabric is a gorgeous addition to the 25 sheer curtain collection here at ISeekBlinds, and we think that this will stop a nation as well. Let's get right up close and personal to 5 beautiful colors. So we've got a beautiful cool white, we've got warm white, we've got stone, light grey, and this last one's dark grey. I've been waiting for something beautiful to walk in the door, and here it is. It's a perfect classic herringbone pattern, and we've got it in 3 beautiful colors. Let me show you exactly what they are. This classic herringbone pattern that you can see through that, such a delicate weave. I've got the color linen, I've got champagne, and I've got pearl. With its beautiful, timeless and classic good looks and a blend of polyester and linen, Aston just brings something different to the table. We've got it for 2025 in 4 amazing colors. Let's go and have a closer look. So for the beautiful Aston collection, I've got parchment, we've got white, we've got the color pearl, which is this guy here, and then we've got the beautiful June